Huh? Oh, dude, what up? What are you doing? You just scrolling? Just hanging out? I'm working on a brand new recovery program called Unlabeled. I haven't met a single person that continues to drink alcohol for the same reason they started drinking alcohol. That's mango. And that's because you may have started drinking alcohol because of your trauma, because of that thing that happened 20 years ago, but you continue drinking because of the amount of trauma that you're causing in your body. The pain that you felt back then was meant for you to grow with. Pain is not meant for us not to feel. It's a guiding force. We're supposed to know what hurts. If you never touch the stove, then how can you talk about how hot it is? And your chances of touching the stove are almost 100% because you have no idea what to stay away from. But we're kind of conditioned to go, you know what, you touched the stove that one time, you're an idiot. And then we just kind of accept that and go, I'm an idiot, I touch stoves. That disrupts our entire internal dialogue and we act as an idiot. For the dumbest things, so I stub my toe, it's because I'm an idiot. And then you may even just start interrupting people. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine. It's because I'm an idiot. Your brain is an idiot. You aren't. Your brain is just collecting information, and everything you say, your brain thinks you're talking to it. Yeah, you may be saying it out loud, but your brain is also listening. So when you're talking crap about somebody else, your brain thinks you're talking crap about yourself. We practice that too long, and then we have an infinite amount of reasons to want to drink. That lowers our mental health and we feel like even more crap. Feeling like crap makes us want more alcohol. That's why you started drinking isn't the same reason why you continue drinking. That if you're struggling, it's not about thinking right now. It's about focusing on your physical patterns at this point. Your body hurts and is in pain. That's why you continue drinking. Every single amount of additional trauma caused by the poison is forcing you to think and feel in a different way. We've got to add more water, and we've got to start treating our body better first. Sobriety isn't about saying no to alcohol. It's about saying yes to water. When you're saying yes to water, you are also saying no to alcohol. It's not about just getting sober. Sobriety is painful. Recovery is the healing process. And no, you don't have to fix the reason why you first started drinking. Take care of your body first. When you start feeling good and you start to get cognitive again, then we could look back at those initial reasons. But if you just jump into all that right now, you're just gonna find another reason to drink. If you want to join the thousands of people that I've personally supported, just check my page for all my resources. You can't hate yourself into a better past, but you can love yourself into a better future.